Hi everyone, it's Jade from the Psychic Healing Academy and from Udemy. Those of you who know me, I'm a best-selling tarot instructor on Udemy as well as the Psychic Healing Academy. And I'm here today to share with you a very brief video about how to do reversals faster and just one quick hack that will help make reversals much easier for you. So those of you who know me well and who have worked with me over the past 15 years in my tarot teaching know that I have just released a brand new reversals course on Udemy called How to Give Tarot Reversal Readings. And I'm really excited with how well it's gone. It became bestseller in 11 days, which was a huge win. And it's going to be very hard to do. So if you have purchased this course and you are watching this, thank you so much for your contribution and for supporting me and writing reviews and getting that out there. But I wanted to create this for someone or anyone out there who is curious about reversals and they may be thinking, should I use them or not? Or they haven't done any work with me before and they're looking for just one quick, easy way to do reversals when you are working with your clients as a professional or you're doing them for yourself. Now, reversals can seem very complex, and that is primarily because each reversed card can have up to 4 or 5 different interpretations. So I've always maintained that for beginners, this can be really hard and challenging when you're trying to learn all the cards. But one way you can overcome this is by remembering the golden rule, which is that a reversed card is simply, in most cases, except for 1 or 2, which I will mention, is simply meaning that you have not harnessed the lesson of the upright card. Now, each tarot card has a lesson. Now, the major arcana are bigger, more spiritual lessons, but even in the minor arcana and the courts, we have lessons. And when a reversed card appears in a reading and in a spread, it means that the client has not mastered that lesson and they need to return to the upright. So say, for example, they get an upside down Lovers. Now, the Lovers is all about making sure you're making decisions from the heart. If the card is reversed, it means you are no longer making decisions from the heart and you need to return to the upright Lovers and start making decisions from the heart. If you get the Hermit, for example, the Hermit suggests that this is a time when it's upright, that you need to go into your cave and you need some solitude to find the answers to your current life problems, and that's the only solution right now that's going to work for you. When the card appears reversed, it means that you're not doing that. And basically you have to do it or things are going to get much, much worse for you. So it's almost like you're going to go into a crisis unless you allow yourselves to step back and seek some spiritual solutions to your problems. Something like the Ace of Cups, for example, when it appears upright, it suggests there's going to be a beautiful new beginning where love, like romantic love, or even just heart-centered love activities or psychic development or creativity is suddenly going to be a part of your life. When the card is reversed, it means that the cup is draining and all those emotional, beautiful, yummy energy, it's going the other way and in the wrong direction. And so you need to return to the upright card where you are tapping into your heart and you are tapping into heart-centered activities like journaling and meditation, or you are looking for heart-centered partners if it's a romantic situation, or if, say, you get the Ace of Cups reversed in your current relationship and love has left the building, then you need to find a way to connect to that person from the heart as well. So this is, and the 3 of Pentacles, I'll chuck the Pentacles in there as well because money questions are often in there. If you get a reversed 3 of Pentacles, it means that, an upright 3 of Pentacles means that you need to be studying and investing in yourself more. You need to be forming teams and alliances. When it's reversed, it means that you are not doing this. The teams are falling apart. You're just thinking that you can just wing your life and your career and your money without actually investing in yourself. And so you need to turn that back upright and master the lesson of reaching out into teams and collaborating, but also in making sure you're studying and furthering your skills to get more money and more career prospects as well. So I hope that small little hack has helped in being able to understand the tarot more. Now, obviously, you might say, well, Sal, I need to understand the upright cards first. Yes, that is true. Hack number 2, learn the upright cards as well, because you obviously need to be able to do that to return to the upright card. Now, if you would like to know how to get more detailed readings and more tips to going into that, please look at my reversals course. You've got over 9 hours of content in there about how to get accurate reversed interpretations. You have a bonus Sal Jade Tarot Reversals workbook, which will give you all of my quick hacks, like more than just this one, like 3 or 4 or 5 different quick hacks for when you're doing short shorter readings or you've forgotten your cards, but also you'll also get how to do detailed and much more intuitive readings for those bigger picture readings and those longer readings that may go for an hour or more or so such thing. So you can find that in the link that is in your description. And if you need any help from me about reversals or you have any questions to ask, please reach out to team@saljade.com, as I always love to answer your questions. So I hope that's helped with that quick little hack. Return to the upright card, harness the energy of that card and share that with your client when you get a reverse card. Thank you so much. And if you'd love to get more of these free videos, then do hit subscribe. Have an awesome day.